Yo, 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 gang. What's good, my truckers and my truckettes? What's the vibes? You know what I'm saying? I am the guy that's going to explain to you what goes on at Stevens Transportation, man. From a first week perspective, no bullshit or facts. Let's go. You know what I'm saying? So first, man, step one dealing with Stevens Transportation, we going to talk about how long does it take them to get you out to your school. Now, for me, I am in the Georgia area, so they got a class. They go through a third-party company. That's a real CDL driving school. It's called Georgia Academy of Driving, GDA, or some shit like that. Georgia Driving Academy. Pardon me. You know what I'm saying? So you don't go there. But we talking about the process and the time. My mom be moving. Work with me. All right. But the process, we gonna use a month. I called them the first week of the month. The second week, they was already ready to send me. They said the process takes 3 days. You know what I'm saying? Only thing on my behalf, I didn't have on my paper. I didn't have my fucking birth certificate. So I had my birth certificate. I had to fly out to Jersey. I'm from Jersey. You know what I'm saying? Had to fly out from Jersey and go get my ticket. You know what I mean? So, go get my birth certificate. So after I went, got my birth certificate, I came back to Stevens and I started about 3 weeks. Maybe a month prior to after I had the conversation with Shorty. You know what I'm saying? I got down there. Now, before we even get into anything else, let me tell you about this. Let me tell you about this starting fee and these recruiters and what you're going to need. You know what I'm saying? Because it seems like they're not going to tell you. So I'm going to tell you before we even start. Make sure everything you have is up to par, because when you get there, they is sending niggas home, gang. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? And it's not even some shit. It's not even on you. You know what I'm saying? And you're going to be aggravated. It's like they try to send me home. So with the work history, if you can, you know what I'm saying? Just send them your stuff and just hoping they're going to run with it. You know what I'm saying? I know it's a lot of work for you, but sometimes you got to put a little more. You got to put the extra work in. You know what I'm saying? So you can make your fucking dreams come true. You know what I'm saying? So dealing with the work history, if you got an IRS near you and you can pull up your work history from at least 5 to 6 years back, they only go back 3 years. You know what I'm saying? But I'm saying 3 years. They only go back 3 years, but just do 5, I guess. But do whatever you need to do. But if you can't go to the IRS and get your W-2s before you come out there, I would highly recommend that. You know what I'm saying? Because when I got out there, it was a fucking big ass thing of confusion. I was aggravated at the recruiters, like, yo, you trying to send me home? Why didn't all this paperwork get done before you even sent me out here? You feel me? I ain't got no car. I didn't quit my job to come here. You feel what I'm saying? It was a big old confusion. You know what I'm saying? So I'm going to let you know firsthand what not to, you know what I'm saying? How not to get fucked up in the game. You feel what I'm saying? If you got work history, you know what I'm saying? Make sure to be 100 transparent with them. Like, yo, before you send me out there, like, is that work history good? Did everything come back that you need? Because I don't want to get out there or quit my job, you feel what I'm saying, and make a big step to change your life, you feel what I'm saying, just to find out that you made 2 steps backwards. You feel what I'm saying? Because, yo, the little recruiters, they definitely get snappy. You know what I'm saying? Word. Like, they had an attitude with me, and they was like, they told the people, like, I had an attitude with them. You know what I'm saying? But we got past that. You feel what I'm saying? One of the GDA guys took me to the IRS building. I got my work history, water under the bridge. But so y'all won't have to go through that. Go and handle that, yo. You feel me? Go and handle that. Be 100% honest. Because the last thing you want to do, bro, is get out there. You feel me? And I don't know if you're going to be working prior to this or quitting your job. You feel what I'm saying? Because I just left. No 2-week notice, no nothing. Boom. Stevens, let's go. You know what I'm saying? So you don't want to put yourself in a predicament. So make sure that all your eggs in the basket. You feel what I'm saying? Even though I feel as though that's their job to do. You know what I'm saying? But as a grown, as a grown man or a grown woman, you feel what I'm saying? It's best to have yourself, because nobody gonna have yourself how you have yourself. So make some extra steps to make sure you know you're gonna be successful once you start the program. You feel what I'm saying? Now let's get to the program. Boom. They do put you in your own hotel. If you in Georgia, they ask you gonna drive or you gonna catch a bus. I caught the bus. You see fucking gas prices? God, I ain't paying for that. You know what I'm saying? So I caught the bus. You know what I'm saying? I would advise you though, you feel me, to drive. You know what I'm saying? If you can't afford the gas and it's not that far, because they take you to Walmart once a week. And that's not gonna be till like your third day down there. I got there Sunday, I ain't get to Walmart till Tuesday. So I was fucking door dashing food. They don't pay for no meals. So don't think no meals are gonna get paid. You get a little boo-boo breakfast in the morning. That's like some some oatmeal, coffee. Coffee pretty decent though. You know what I'm saying? You got oatmeal, you get coffee. They got little muffins down there. Hotels, not the best. I don't think it's gonna be a 5-star, but you know, sometimes you gotta, you know what I'm saying? Sometimes you gotta motherfucking run in the dark before you see the light. You feel what I'm saying? So it's just steps you gotta do to get where you need to go and to get to that bag. You feel what I'm saying? But so you get in the room. You're gonna have to get a roommate. I lucked up. You feel what I'm saying? My first week, no roommate. You feel what I'm saying? I'm chilling. You know what I'm saying? Most likely when I get back down there, because I did come home for the weekend. You feel what I'm saying? But most likely when I do get down there, I'm gonna have a fucking roommate. Unfortunately, hopefully old boy is clean. You know what I'm saying? But I found out when I found out. You know what I mean? But let me see, what else? Yeah, so that's the first step. So like, you know about the room. Don't think it's gonna be a 5-star road thing. You will see little creepy crawlies crawling around. So, you know what I'm saying? Have your shit bagged up, you know what I'm saying? If you don't bring a car, make sure you go to Walmart, get your own cleaning supplies so you can make sure your room's clean. You know what I'm saying? Honesty. I'm telling you nothing but facts. I'm not sugarcoating nothing for you. You know what I'm saying? Let's get to the class. So like I said, they go through a third party or whatever. It's called Georgia Driving Academy, GA. You know what I'm saying? You're going to be taking class with guys from Stevens. You're going to be taking class with guys that paid to go to Georgia GA. You know what I'm saying? So, so far, I had a great teacher. I got my fucking driver's permit the first time. Even if you do come with a driver's permit, you're going to go through this first class. You're going to sit in this first class. And have to hear stuff about the driver's permit. Unfortunately, I know it sucks for you guys that got the driver's permit. I didn't have mine before I got there. I didn't have mine before I got out there, so it wasn't that bad for me. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, so we studied for 3 days. You know what I'm saying? So me and other guys from Atlanta, we left on Wednesday to go take our tests. You feel what I'm saying? The guys from Alabama, they leave on Thursday to go take their tests. Best thing about Alabama, yo, is if you fail that test, you can pay $15 to go take that test right back. You know what I'm saying? Us from Georgia, you fail that test, you gotta wait 2 more days. You feel what I'm saying? And everybody passed their second time. I passed my first time out of 8 people. You know what I'm saying? From Georgia. Gang! Wasn't that stupid, huh? Gang. You feel what I'm saying? So I passed. You know what I'm saying? But every other guy that came that was from Georgia, they passed their second trip. You feel what I'm saying? That's the only thing. And you need to really pay attention, yo, because I don't know. Let me say, because everybody passed, but it seems like these guys don't have a problem sending you home if you know what I'm saying, if they feel like, you know what I'm saying, you're not paying attention and things of that nature. So when you come down there, have your fucking thinking caps on, and I'm saying, be ready to learn, and I'm saying, hear the teachers. Don't be in your feelings about how they talking to you, you know what I'm saying? Just get that fucking knowledge that you need, bro. You feel what I'm saying? These people don't got to be your best friend. You see them for 3 weeks, you feel what I'm saying? Boom, and you gone. Smooth to Texas, you know what I'm saying? On to your next step, and then you around them other people for a little bit of time. Boom, then you gone and got your truck. So don't be letting these get in your head, B. You know what I'm saying? Don't let another man take, you know what I'm saying, food out your mouth or your kid's mouth. So whoever you doing this for yourself. Whatever you want to do trucking for. I'm doing it for the bag, man. Inflation is up. I need bread. Let's get it. You know what I'm saying? So after I got my permit, you know what I'm saying, everything else is it's more laid back, you know what I'm saying? They're teaching other guys that felt, you know what I'm saying, that felt the first permit class. We did a little backing that week, so I did a great job backing. You heard? You know what I'm saying? I definitely was not good at backing like I was good at taking that test. So, you feel me? I'm definitely going to need more practice on that. You know what I'm saying? So the second week, we're going to do pre-trip inspection. That's like learning all parts of the truck. That's what they told me. You know what I'm saying? Obviously, I don't know because I'm about to learn it. And I'm going to learn how to do maneuvers like backing up, parallel parking. They got all other different type of maneuvers that you got to do. You know what I'm saying? They're going to over-teach you, over-test you. So when you take the test, it's going to be, like, so I think so you take the test, they're going to teach you how to do 6 maneuvers. But when you take the test, you're going to have to do like 3 maneuvers. So they're doubling your work. So when it's time for you to actually take the real CDLs test, you're like, damn, if I just did double this, by the time it's time to do half of this, it should be a breeze for you. You feel what I'm saying? So I'm saying the school so far seems like a good school. You know what I'm saying? I say long as you pay attention, I'm saying do exactly what you need to do. You know what I'm saying? It seems like a good school. Yeah, Like I said, the living arrangements ain't the best. The recruiters ain't the best. But if you here for CDLs and you trying to do what you do, you know what I'm saying, and trying to better yourself, you know what I'm saying, bite the bullet, man. You know what I'm saying? I gave you the good, the bad, and the ugly. You feel what I'm saying? Dealing with Stevens with my first week. What else? What else do I probably need to tell you? Oh yeah, they probably gonna be telling you to wear boots to recruiters. Once you get there, GDA don't care about your boots. You can wear sneakers there, so I'm saying dress comfortable, you know what I'm saying? If you like wearing good, if you want to wear your good shit there, you can do that too. You know what I'm saying? I don't know how it is when you get to Stevens. Like I said, this is just my first week out here in Columbus, Georgia, in school. And I'm gonna have y'all rocking with me the whole day. You know what I'm saying? My whole experience at Stevens Transport. I want y'all to rock with me and understand, you know what I'm saying, what's going on. You know what I'm saying? Y'all can, you feel me? But yeah, yo, that's it, man. You know what I'm saying? For the first week. Next week's my pre-trip inspection. Wish me luck. I'm going to be paying mad attention. So I'm going to make one of these videos every week. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to send them out there. You feel what I'm saying? I hope I helped y'all out a lot with that. You feel what I'm saying? Because those are certain things that I wanted to let y'all know. Because there's not that many Stephen Transportation videos. And like, I'm a YouTuber. So it's like, once I was getting in the truck and I'm looking at all these YouTube things like, yo, and it's like I'm not getting no up-to-date recent stuff. You feel what I'm saying? Word, so that's what it is. You feel me? Oh, you know what I'm saying? If y'all didn't know, when I do start out there, it's 50 cents per mile dealing with Stevens. That's what they told me. I don't know none of the incentives or nothing else. You know what I'm saying? I'm just letting you know. That's what they told me, 50 cents per mile. But we definitely, we gonna walk. You're gonna walk with me through the whole process when I'm in Texas and I'm talking to the people. You know what I'm saying? I'm definitely gonna, you know what I'm saying, put you on game. You feel what I'm saying? But the process they told me, 3 weeks out here training. 4th week we gonna train for the CDLs. They're gonna ship you to Texas. Boom, Texas. That's when you're officially hired with Stevens. You feel what I'm saying? So you're gonna do your paperwork, get your medical, get your benefits, get that 401k, you know what I'm saying? Start learning how to, you know what I'm saying, finance that bread right. You know what I'm saying? Then after you do that, you're gonna go on you're gonna get you a trainer, hop on, live with him for 6 weeks, which I'm dreading. Me and another man, 6 weeks in a closed area. Come on, dude. I'm not with that. But like I said, sometimes you gotta bite the bullet to be where you need to be at. You feel what I'm saying? Like, come on. You know what I mean? Then after that, they say they send you home. You get a home time for 7. Oh, and while you you don't get paid. You don't get paid for this whole thing. But while you on the road, though, while you on the road with Stevens, for the first 6 weeks, they're gonna pay you a $700, and it's getting taxed. What I was told, they give you $700 a week while you on the road learning. You feel what I'm saying? Then when they let you go, that's 50 cents per mile. Run it up, gang. You feel what I'm saying? I know I am. You know what I mean? But yeah, that's it, yo. You know what I'm saying? I'm saying be easy, man. You feel me? Truck guys, truck girls. You know what I'm saying? I'm out, gang. Be easy.